Boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary puzzle. In the additional of today's newspaper on a Friday, yes, Friday, May the 26th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles. The 1-star Sudoku, well, it seems this one is 3 stars, and a 4-star Sudoku. So two puzzles are left. The tectonic with 4 stars and the binary puzzle. It's time for binary time, yes. This binary puzzle number, this will be number 6496. 6496. Where's my pencil? Here. 96. Alright, before I start, I always count a print that this is, well, this one has 16 printed digits. Yeah, 16. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8x8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Then 4 1s we have here in the second column, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. In 2 minutes. Well, without comparing. And we solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today. A tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.